Hello. Have you ever wondered why your recorded voice is different from your real voice? I believe only WA-103 microphone records your true voice. You can compare my voice to my recorded voice in this video. Also, you can compare distortion noise level of each microphone in this video and next video. Thank you. Hello, Wave Touch Audio Pro WA-103 mic test. WA-103 is directly connected to Nikon Z30 digital camera with 3.5mm connector. WA-103 comes with attached 5-feet cable with your choice of 3.5mm connector or XLR connector. WA-103 is about 11 inches from my mouth. Fender DG7 guitar. A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. It's now or never, my love won't wait. It's now or never, my love won't wait. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft over my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. Wave Touch Audio Pro WA-103 mic test. Thank you. Thank you.
Troubles are churning, trouble you with that dress that's as black as my heart on this train. Troubles are churning, trouble you with those lips that's as red as the blood in my veins.